Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be working on a 20 by 20 inch canvas, and we'll go through the colors in just a moment. But first I'd like to announce that I am taking part of this wonderful event in the suburb of Washington, D.C., known as Sterling, Virginia. I will be at the Fluid Art Boutique come May 3rd, 4th, and 5th, where I will teach you 4 different techniques. So I'm really excited about this, and I hope you guys check out our website below for tickets. What else? Karen from Waterfall Acrylics will be there. Mina Villegas will be there, and the lovely Kathleen Osmore of Cause Creations will also be there. So we have loads of fun classes that you can schedule with us over this course of 3 days. There's also a dinner for the artist and a mixer for the artist on Wednesday night. And what else? I don't know. So please check out the description box for a link to our website where you could purchase tickets. Classes are selling quickly, so please consider doing so sooner rather than later. We don't want you to miss out, but we appreciate you all that are coming, and we thank you for those that have already bought tickets. Yeah, so we have a couple of surprises at the event for you, and we have wonderful sponsors such as the Fluid Art Co., this little piggy. Hands Off Handles is going to be a sponsor. We also have decoart, Mixport, and of course the wonderful Amsterdam Royal Talons Paint Company as a sponsor. So we're really looking forward to this. All right, end of my spiel. So we're going to be working on a 20 by 20 inch canvas, which I have already said. And the colors I'm going to be using is Golden's Paynes Grey. I also have Golden's Anthraquinone Blue. I have Liquitex Bright Aqua Green, and with this I added some white to tone it down a bit. I have Ceramic Coat Metallic Sapphire. And I have decoart's 24K Gold in Extreme Sheen. So with these 2 colors, equal parts Floetrol to paint. And then my white mixture is Artist Loft Flow white acrylic. It is the Flow. And I have that mixed 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, and a couple of scoops of the satin enamel in there by decoart. And then my golden paints are about, because they're a heavier body paint, it's about 4 ounces of Floetrol to about 1 ounce of paint, or 3 ounces actually, I'm so sorry. 3 ounces of Floetrol to 1 part paint. And these are 18 ounce cups. So you just modify your measurements according to how much you want to mix up. The Bright Aqua Green by Liquitex is 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint with a little bit of white. All right, so we're gonna get going here. We are going to layer up my cup. All right, I didn't have one on hand. Oh, anywho, so we're gonna start off with white. I put some white in a smaller cup to have more control of it. I just stir it up, make sure it's well mixed. And then I'm gonna come in with some of the Paynes Grey, and then Indigo. We're gonna do the gold, the Bright Aqua Green, and then I'm gonna come in with some white. To the Metallic Ceramic Coat. Paynes Grey. Indigo. Let me see, let's do some gold. The white, and we'll add a little more white there. And the aqua. Let me see, a little more gold here. Come in with some Paynes Grey on that one. We'll do Indigo, the Metallic Sapphire, white, aqua, Paynes, almost at the top here. Let's do gold. We'll make our layers a little bit smaller now. White, some of the sapphire, paints again, indigo, gold, white. Let's get to the top. And Paynes. All right, so we have our wonderful cup here. There are some bubbles, but I'm gonna come in with my white. And my torch right here. And I'm just bringing it around in a circle just to widen the puddle. And we're gonna bring it right back to the center of the canvas. Oops. All right. I'm gonna go a little slow to the edge there, not fully over yet. And back to the center. And I'm going to let it rest for a moment because there are a lot of air bubbles in this as I did just mix up my paints. There's a few more, but they'll work their way out. This time I am alternating the way I move my puddle to clockwise. So I'm gonna bring it back just a smidge this way. I don't want it to get too wonky. My cells were doing funky things down there. I'm gonna come off this corner and anchor it. Back to middle. Let's come off over here. And we're coming back to middle. You can't see that part, sorry. And then back over to this corner. I'm loving what's going on over here. So I'm gonna come off of this edge and bring it back to middle. And now we can work it off that corner. And I think I'm gonna come over here a bit. Yep, so I think I'm done. We're gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, here is the close-up, guys. Look at all the gold and the aqua. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Bye for now.